We are Clobotics Wind Services. We are passionate about wind energy. Our goal is to help you maximise wind power generation using the power of robots, analytics and the cloud. We develop and employ cutting-edge technology to inspect and maintain turbine health safely and efficiently. We draw on local expertise from our offices across the globe, and to date, we have completed tens of thousands of blade inspections. We believe in continuous innovation to deliver you confidence and peace of mind. We employ artificial intelligence to analyse and categorise your data and produce reliable, in-depth reports, empowering you to visualise turbine condition and make informed decisions about maintenance planning. From safe, high-quality inspections to digital blade repairs, Clobotics Wind Services has you covered for your turbine health needs.